everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again I have brought some wonderful and amazing kitchen and home organization ideas for you. Look at these, how lovely they are. I always try to bring some unique and new ideas. These are kitchen organization ideas. You can take the idea from this video. Look at these living room ideas. These are washroom ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture and can organize in this way. I hope you are enjoying the video. If you are enjoying the video, then leave a beautiful comment to encourage me. And also let me know your good name and from which country you are watching my channel, so that I can send you the special greetings in my next video. Look at these. How wonderful ideas. You can take the screenshot of the picture and take ideas from this video. If you are new on my channel and didn't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my new and upcoming videos. If you find this video useful, then give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends and family members. Alright viewers, thanks for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.